What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete Exness account step by step. So, in this case, in order for you to delete your Exness account here, you need to access a few pages here. So first things first is you want to go to exness.com and just log into your account. Now at the dev site here, you want to look for settings. So at the dev site, you want to go and expand settings here, and you want to look for security. Now under security, you want to go and just scroll down a bit here until you see the account and security and termination section. Now what you're looking for is going to be this section here that says terminate Exness personal area. Now in this case, just be reminded that this action, it cannot be reversed. So if you delete your account, you won't be able to recover it. But if you're sure, just click on terminate Exness personal area here. Now in this case, it will say a few things here, so this action cannot be undone. So full terms and conditions, you go and read on it on the following link here. But yeah, so in this case, this email will be blocked. So the following email accounts here, and new account requires a new email. So if you're going to reopen an account using the same email address here, well, you won't be able to do that. So your email address will be blocked. Now all data will also be deleted and programs will be cancelled as well. Now if you're sure, just click on continue and you should be good. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.